We stayed at the luxury hotel that Spanian reviewed. Our flight from Bangkok got delayed twice, so by the time we arrived, we were tired and hungry. But check out how nice this room is. Honestly, the views on this place. It has its own little spa and pool. We were so hungry I forgot to show you what we got, but I did get the mango sticky rice, and I was so full I could only get 2 spoons in. My skin definitely agrees with Thailand. My whole body feels so smooth. I bought the viral toothpaste I saw on TikTok, and I want to see if it actually whitens my teeth.
Now the result is look so hello.
Okay, give me my phone back. This is the morning view from our balcony, and isn't that just so stunning? The only thing missing was the sun. The breakfast buffet here is the best that I've ever experienced. So we sat here for an hour being big back. There are so many options, you just don't know what to go for. Aussie stacked his plate up at least 3 to 4 times. Even had a donut station, and old me would have loved that, but I'm in my noodle soup era. On the other side of the deck, they had a pancake parlor with an ice cream cart and some authentic Thai foods. I got the chicken skewers and the sticky rice, which was so good. I went back 3 times, and I've recently discovered that I might have something called heat edema. It's where you swell because of the heat. I get this often in my hands, my face, and my feet every time I go to Samoa. After brekkie, we took the free shuttle to Patong, and then it started raining and it just didn't stop. So we got stuck in Patong for 4 hours because no taxi wanted to take us back home. And if they did agree, they were charging triple the price, which we eventually gave into. Aussie's so strict with his workout regime. He's been going to the gym every single day since we've been here. I didn't come for that, so I wait in the room, and then he comes back to the room and gets me before we come and be big backs again. The weather's been so bad here because we stupidly decided to come in wet season. It stopped us from going to Phi Phi Island, but it didn't stop us from going ATV riding. It's my 6th time doing it, so you can pretty much call me a pro. The rain did not stop, so it was so muddy. There were a couple landslides and stopped us from going to see the big Buddha. The man realized that we were pretty experienced with it and kept speeding off and making us catch up. I purposely just crashed into Aussie, which scared him. They took us to the giant swing, which oversees a beautiful view, and I was laughing because look at this little guy swinging his whole body to try and push the Aussie. There was no music in the back of the truck, so my husband sang to me.
Baby, I can see your hello, hello, hello. Hello, my stay and pray.
After the long drive back, we washed off the mud and jumped straight into the community pool. He clearly wasn't satisfied with the singing, so he wanted to give me a private dance show. We had so much washing and I didn't want to use the resort services, so we grabbed it to the local laundromat. I started stressing out because we only had 3 hours to be at the airport to check into our next flight. We were pretty sad to leave Kalima, and we knew that anything after this point was going to be very hard to top. We kept asking everyone in Phuket what Chiang Mai was like, and the more that we heard, the more we did not want to go, but we still made it. And this was me showing you that I almost got hit by a motorcycle my first hour here.